In this video, we will go through the steps to integrate the BizValet Booking Form with your WordPress website in 3 easy steps. So let's say you have a WordPress website. This is a blank template, a fresh WordPress website. Going to the WordPress admin site, where we will go to the Pages section and add a new page. Let's give it a title, call it Booking. And here we want to add a new block. We will use the custom HTML block. So let's hold on there. Back on the BizValet website, we want to go to the website section and then click on the Pages tab. From there, we want to click on the Embedded Form tab right here. And here is the script that we need to embed into the WordPress website. Just click Copy to Clipboard, and then back on the WordPress into this block that we prepared. We will paste that block and hit Publish. That's it. Now we can view the page, and here's how it looks. You still have the header and the footer like you do on the rest of your website. And now in here you have a booking form that's integrated into your website, and it looks like it's a part of your page. So the customers will be able to select all of the options as they would anywhere on your page. Select all the extras and complete their booking. That's it. Thank you for watching.